American Beauty is your soldering, brazing, and thermal wire stripping solution provider.
In this video, we hope to demonstrate the usefulness of our precision timer module model 105 PTM in maintaining and exacting standards for thermal application.
The lead wires have been pre-tinned using our model DMP9 mini solder pot to further improve consistency and repeatability of this process.
We have a micro switch where we're soldering leads. And when Virgil depresses the foot switch, we get a precise application of 1.87 seconds of heating.
When using the one-shot out function on the timer unit, a momentary depression of the foot switch will energize the power unit for the duration of the preset time.
Uniformity, consistency, repeatability.
Model 105 PTM precision timer module
And our 10502 tweezer style system. Detailed specs for the individual products in this video can be accessed on our website, AmericanBeautyTools.com.